Hey motorcycle lovers, it's Cassie here at Shreveport Cycles, and I'm out playing with the new 2025 Scout Bobber 60. Whether you're short like me, you're looking to get back into the motorcycling scene, you're a first-time rider, or if you just want to get back to the basics of an Indian Scout Bobber, this is the perfect bike for you. Check it out. The totally new redesigned Scout Bobber 60. 60 as in 60 cubic inch, meaning a 999cc. So it is not a baby by any means. Beautiful redesign by Indian. This is a fun bike. Get back to the basics